students. So today I will teach you about the third chapter of your English, that is the Enchanted Pool. Please open up your books so that you don't find any problem while I explain you the chapter. Okay, so this chapter, the Enchanted Pool, is basically taken from Mahabharata. Okay, and it is all about the Pandavas. Okay, Pandavas were 5 brothers. Among them, the eldest brother was Yudhishthir. Okay, after that Bhima, Arjun, Nakula and Shahadev. Okay, so this story starts from once upon a time Pandavas were sent to exile, means they were, as a punishment, they were sent to exile, means leaving their native kingdom. They have to go far away with along these 5 brothers for 12 years. Okay, and this punishment was given by their own cousin brother Duryodhan. Okay, because this there is a long story to go behind this, so I cannot tell you the entire story. There in a short I will tell you. Okay, so just you remember that they were given some punishment and they have to be in exile for 12 long years. Okay, so when they went there, once upon a time what had happened, all the 5 Pandav brothers, they felt very thirsty. Okay, so when some people feel thirsty, to quench his thirst he needs water, he or she needs water. So the Pandav brothers were in search of water, but they didn't find water anywhere in the forest. Okay, so what the eldest brother of the Pandavas, Yudhishthira, he noticed that all his brother has lost all the charm. There is no charm, there is no cheerfulness. Okay, so he ordered Nakula to climb up a tree and see if there is any river or pond nearby. Nakula climbed up the tree and he saw a pool or a river. He was confused because it was little far. He saw there are some reindeers drinking water in the pool, and he told that yes, there is a pool or a river, but I'm not sure it is a pool or a river. It's little far from where they are now. Okay, so Nakula what he did, he went towards the river to bring some water. So when he went towards the river to bring some water, what had happened? He took a pot with him. Okay, and when he went near the river, he thought of drinking the water first. Later on, after drinking the water, he will take that bowl of water to his brothers. Okay, that means the pot of water to his brothers. So as he dipped his hand to drink the water, what had happened? A sound came from the river. Okay, and it was the sound of the Rakshas. You know what is a Rakshas? An evil. Okay, a demon. You can consider as a demon. A sound came from the river as he dipped his hand, and it warned Arjuna that before you drink water from my river, you have to answer some questions which I asked you. But Nakula, he didn't pay any attention to what the Yaksha said. As he drank the water, Nakula, what had happened? He got fainted and he felt unconscious beside the river. Okay, beside the shore of the river. Okay, but as he didn't listen the warning of the Yakshas, because the river from which he went to drink, take some water for his brothers and as well as to drink some water from there, the owner of the river was a Yaksha. Yaksha means a demon. Okay, so Nakula has neglected his warning, so he felt unconscious there. So after time passed and as he didn't return, other 3 brothers, they too went with him to see why had, means one after the another, one by one they went, and as they went to the river, the same thing happened. All the 3 brothers, they neglected and they too fell conscious like Nakula beside the river. So as the 3 brothers were not returning from a long time, Yudhishthira thought of going to the river, near the river, that what had happened, why are my brothers not coming back. So he went to the river, and when he went to the river, he saw that all the 4 brothers were lying by the river shore. Okay, means they were beside the side of the river, all were lying unconscious. So he thought that maybe something has happened, but he was so thirsty, he went to drink some water. So as he started dipping his hand in the water, again the same voice was heard. Someone warned that don't drink water from this pool, first you have to answer some questions which I asked you. Then Yudhishthir, the young eldest brother, he understood that it is the work of the Yaksha, means the Danavs. Then he agreed. He said that yes, I will answer whatever the questions you ask me. So the Yaksha asked him some questions, and the questions were successfully answered by Yudhishthira. And by Yudhishthir's answers, the Yaksha was so pleased that in return, Yudhishthir asked him the life of his brothers back, and the Yaksha agreed to give the life of his brothers back. and as he could successfully give all the answers of the Yaksha returned the life back to the four brothers. Okay, and this is all about the story how Yudhishthir, the enchanted pool means how Yudhishthir, when they were sent to exile, means along with the four brothers by their own cousin brother Duryodhan. Okay, how he saved his brother's life once back. Okay, how he saved his brother's life. So this story is all about this. Okay, so when Yudhishthir replied all the answers, and the Yaksha returned their lives back, after that they quenched their thirst, means they drank the water from that pool, because he permitted, because the Yaksha permitted Yudhishthira to drink the water from that pool, and all of the four brothers along with Yudhishthira would quench their thirst. Okay, and after that, as it is not mentioned in your book, but we came to know that this Yaksha was none, but it was only Lord Yama. Lord Yama means Yamraj, we call as Yamraj, na? It was Lord Yam who came there, means who went inside the pool by his magical powers to check Yudhishthir's and his four brother honesty. Okay, this is all about, means they follow the way of dharma or not. Okay, धर्म का पालन करता है कि नहीं. Okay, to see that. Okay, and Yudhishthira succeeded, all his four brothers failed. So this is all about the story, the enchanted pool. Okay, thank you.